ఇది హాట్ యోగా కాబట్టి బాగా స్వెట్ కూడా వచ్చి యు లూజ్ యువర్ బాడీ ఫ్యాట్ అండ్ అట్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్ ఇట్స్ వెరీ రిఫ్రెషనింగ్ అండ్ మెంటల్ స్టెబిలిటీ అన్నిటికీ బాగా యూస్ఫుల్ ఉంటుంది. ఈ క్లాస్కి రాకముందు నేను 103 kgs ఉన్నాను. సో 1 year నుంచి చేస్తున్నాను. నేను ఒక 15 kgs లూజ్ అయ్యాను. అండ్ ఐ థింక్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ షుడ్ ట్రై ఇట్ అవుట్.
I'm still new to it. It's just been about 15 days, but I'm trying to come as regularly. And just in those 15 days, I think the body feels more relaxed. I feel happier. There's less stress at work. I'm actually able to do what I used to, not have to spend long hours at office. I look forward to coming to Bikram Yoga and sweating it out. And you feel fresh, you feel clean, you feel relaxed, you feel happy at the end of the workout.
So I have been doing strength training, which is basically in the gym with weights and all. But my body got stiff. So basically I'm doing a mix of strength training and yoga just to increase my flexibility and to strengthen my core. So after I have joined here, this is my third or fourth class, but I'm feeling that I have strengthened my core, as in my spine is getting straight and then I'm increasing my flexibility. So that's the main reason why I have joined this yoga. And because of the room temperature is increased a bit, it makes the posture easy, and then it is increased. I mean, I feel better.
And I'm feeling like really nice, and I'm glad that I've joined this and taken a step. As I join Bikram Yoga, when I do, I feel very active all throughout the day. And yeah, my skin has also started glowing.
Bikram Yoga ela different ante it is working on internal organs most importantly, and it works on your insulin levels, and that is why it is very good for sugar patients and diabetes patients. So I myself have insulin irregularity. So after joining Bikram Yoga, it has come down a lot. You are active through the day, meeku roju anta gaani energy levels high untayi, plus you feel healthy. That is the most important. మీకు జిమ్లో దొరికిన వర్కౌట్ టైర్ అయిపోయి డ్యూరింగ్ ద డే స్ట్రెస్డ్ అవుట్ అలా ఉండదు బిక్రమ్ యోగా. బిక్రమ్ యోగా ఈజ్ అబౌట్ ఫీలింగ్ హెల్దీ త్రూ ద డే. ఎవ్రీ ఏజ్ నీడ్స్ దిస్.
This is the best, and this is working. Ipudu basketball legends to Kareem Abdul-Jabbar to all the big football players in US to celebrities. Ipudu Gravity cinema చూసారు. Gravity cinema lo George Clooney, Sandra Bullock, they swear by Bikram Yoga. Bikram Yoga has helped them to be flexible and to do most of the gravitational things. So if everybody in the world is incorporating, it comes from India, the yoga. So we should incorporate, and Bikram Yoga is best fit for the young people, especially the sportsmen and who wants to keep themselves fit.